How you going? I'm Stu from Jimmy Tools. Today we're going to be going through our awesome little tech cart. It's a diagnostic cart. It's stacked full of tools. You can buy these with or without tools, but today I'm going to show you an awesome little kit, roughly around the $1,000 mark. It's one of the strongest and best tech carts that you're going to get on the market today. So the measurements on this thing, you're looking at width of about 930, including the handle. Height off the ground, you're looking at about 985, and the depth 455. You got 4 drawers. The 2 top drawers are about 355. Then you've got your longer drawers, which are about 720. You've also got a top compartment here, and this top compartment here, which I'll show you through in a tick, measures up usable space of about 840. These drawers are actually got a locking mechanism on them as well, just up the back here. You can actually slide this across and that'll lock these drawers. Then they're all in place when you're rolling the tool cart around. You got the top lid here that closes and then can be locked as well. Keeps everything safe and secure. Down the bottom of the tech cart, you've got a great big, very solid, secure, reinforced tray. It's actually bolted in with 16 bolts, so it's very, very strong. Measures up at 830 by 415, and it's got a depth there of about 100. And the maximum working load of this unit is 320 kilos. So it's a very, very strong tech cart, and it will handle a lot of weight. So you've got casters down one end and fixed wheels down the other. So it makes it exactly like a normal shopping trolley. Really easy to just cruise around with. No issues at all, and yeah, just moves like a normal shopping trolley. Comes in this black, and it also comes in that green as well, which is our mutant green color. So you've got a full butterfly hinge across the back there for your lid. The lid's reinforced, and also gas struts. Good thing about this as well, compared to a couple of the other units out there on the market, the lid runs at just about 90 degrees. On both sides, you've got these holes for pry bars and screwdrivers, that type of thing. And also up in the top, you've got some more which you can put your screwdrivers and stuff in as well. Up in the top here of this kit, you've got your 81 piece socket set. It comes with 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/4 inch. You've got all your sockets there in imperial and in metric. Excellent quality Jimmy Tools sockets. They are color coded. Red is for imperial, and you've got blue for metric. Got some extensions there as well, a couple of spark plug sockets. You also got a 1/2 inch breaker bar across the back there, a uni joint, and it's all kept nice and secure here in this beautiful dense foam EVA tray. Up the back here we include this 8-piece screwdriver set. These are go-through screwdrivers, so the steel runs all the way through the actual screwdriver handle. Really good set of screwdrivers. They're hexagonal and they've got a hardened steel end. Now to open the drawers, here's a close look at that locking mechanism. It's just a slide lock. Slide it across, and now our drawers will open. In the first drawer, we've got our Torx set. It's color coded, goes from T10 to T50, and they're super long shanked. Then you've got your long shanked Allen keys in both metric and imperial. Plus you've got a couple of shifters there, a 250mm and a 200mm. In the next drawer, we've got a 4-piece plier set and also a set of multi-grips. Down now to our big drawer, which is where our spanners go. So the spanners again mounted in a beautiful EVA tray. You've got imperial and you've got metric. Your metric go from 7mm to 21mm, and your imperial go from 1/4 inch to 15/16. Excellent quality Jimmy spanners. We've been selling these spanners for sort of 20 odd years, so excellent quality, very reliable spanners, and perfect for just about any use in any field. We also include our little 38-piece bit set, great for interior work and small stuff. And in the bottom drawer here, we've got a 16-ounce ball peen hammer, a great quality hacksaw, and a 4-piece circlet ply set, inner and outer, in that ripstop canvas pouch. So again, what you'll notice is heavy duty steel cage ball bearing roller slides. These are what Jimmy's famous for, incredibly strong, and they will last the test of time. The unit itself comes pretty much disassembled. It takes you about an hour to assemble it. You've got 4 nut and bolts on each corner, so it keeps everything very, very rigid and strong. The same thing down the bottom there, 4 on each corner. So there's our 194 piece Jimmy Tools diagnostic cart toolkit. Brilliant little kit for just about anything you want. Like I said, they come as a kit or they also come empty. Either way, absolutely great addition to any mechanical workshop. If you need to get your stuff from your toolbox out to your job in the same workshop, you don't want to roll a massive toolbox around. We have a full lifetime warranty on our hand tools. We can ship these units Australia-wide, no problem at all. As you know, at Jimmy Tools, we offer 24 months interest-free as well, so you can put this one interest-free over 24 months and just pay it off weekly, fortnightly or monthly. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you liked what you see today. You can check all of our videos and our walkthrough videos on YouTube, which is just Jimmy Tools Official on YouTube.